Ladies and gentlemen, hello, and welcome back. I don't know. I don't know what's up with that. Okay, let's delete that and let's see. Debugging exercise number 2. Let's copy everything, paste it inside here and see. Okay, so read this one, spot the problem, modify the code to fix the problem. Fix the code so that it works and pass the test when you submit. Okay, let's see what happens. Invalid syntax. This is not possible. What happens now? I want to check 1. I want to check 2. I want to check 5. I want to check 69. That was it. The equal sign. Indentation is not a multiple of 4. Print. Right. That was super fast. I mean, god damn. Let's go. And copy. So this one was the odd or even. Let's see this one. So we have the FizzBuzz. Read this code. Okay, we know this. No shortcuts. Don't copy paste to replace the code entirely with a working solution. The code needs to print the solution to the FizzBuzz game. Issue number from 1 to 100 in turn. Okay, so from number in range 1 to 100, this is good. When the number is divisible by 3, then instead of printing the number, it should print fizz by 3. Okay. When the number is divisible by 5, it should print buzz, which is great. If it is divisible by both 3 and 5, it should print FizzBuzz. Okay, let's run the code and see what happens. Okay, let's see. Uh, So this is fees, buzz, fees, else print numbers. elif. Okay, so there we have an and, that's the first fix. Here displays 3 because of this. Three and 5. 15. Okay. Okay. So instead of 3, I think. Okay. Wait a second. Wait. Wait. This is it. So the thing was if and elif statements, if elif and else statements, if statements check for everything, checks for everything. If statements will check, and when the first statement is correct, it will go again in the loop. So here for 3, checks first of all if modulus of 3 equals 0, which is true, checks this one as well, which is not, jumps here. This one is true. After that, it jumps in the loop again. For nothing is correct, prints the number. For 5, it goes again into elif. For 6, goes again here, and so on. Okay, fixed it. Just 1 second. Good. Now, the last exercise, the last debugging exercise. Fix the console that it works, and when it hits submit, it should pass. Okay. Great. Leap year. Okay, let's check. Which year do you want to check? Not all arguments, convert jailbreak, string formatting. List 3. Okay. With 4, I think it's leap. If print for 100 is not leap. Okay. I have to make an integer. Not leap year 2000. Okay, we have yeah, so the first if statement checks if year modulus 4 equals 0. If that is true, we'll check if the same year modulus 100 is 0. If that is true, we'll check this one and we'll print if that's true. The third statement, it will print leap year. if not, if this is not true, is not a leap year. If this is not true, or if this is true and this is not true, it will print leap year. Nice. Awesome, great. So these were my debugging exercises. I think for the next project we'll start to go into object-oriented programming, or maybe we'll draw something with Turtle. We'll see tomorrow. So for that, stay tuned, have a great day, and see you tomorrow. Bye.